Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Well, tomorrow I'm going on a road trip. Just got finished setting up my van, and I did a few things differently this time, and I thought I would fill you guys in on my newest modifications in the van. Anyhow, first things first. You know, this is my Coleman Comfort Smart cot. Well, last time I was on my adventure, sleeping in here with a sleeping bag, the sleeping bag material rubbed on this material and drove me out of my ever-loving mind. So I thought, yeah, we're not doing that again. So I have these Sea to Summit sleeping bag inserts. They're like sheets that are like ginormous pillowcases, and they're for inside of sleeping bags. But I thought, yeah, I've got two of these. I'm going to put one on this cot, and holy mother of pearl, it works out perfectly. Just beautifully. So anyhow, it's cotton. It's not going to have that noise when I lay on it. And the other issue is the material under here, kind of the same thing. So they slipped around on each other, and it was just so annoying, the noise. I couldn't even take it. These straps here are my luggage straps. I got them at the dollar store. Those just keep everything nice and tight. I have my cot bungee corded to underneath my front seat here, so that's not new, but that's just, you always have to have your stuff tied down, right? Let's see, another modification I made would be, I thought last time, man, I need a paper towel holder. So I went in and I got one of those fire sticks. I have these in the house. My daughter had these when she was growing up, and I kept it because I thought it was cool. So this is my new holder for my paper towel. And it's great because this is rubber, and it kind of gives a little bit of friction so they don't just fly off there, which I kind of like. So that is a new addition to my van camping. And you see my 3 gallons I have here and my water pump down there. So when I get to my destination, I'll set all that up. I've got my table with me here. And this time I'll be bringing my granddaughter, so I'm excited about that. So this seat will stay up the whole time, and that's okay with me. It doesn't bother me. We still have a lot of room to hang out in here. My bins for clothing, let's talk about that. I'm all about open top containers. I do not like bags or duffel bags or anything with lids or totes with lids. It's like such a pain. I just like to get in and get out, right? So I have everything open. As you can see, Clem, she gets a smaller bin because her clothes are tiny, and believe it or not, she's got enough in there for the time we're going to be gone. And mine, you know, is a trunk organizer that has compartments in it, and this is where I keep my gun, my holsters, just things like that. Underneath here, my cat litter. My porta potty is in that black bag right there. Can't really see it, next to the life jacket there. It's not set up, but I'll do that when I leave. The little white box is a water cooling little space cooler that it's charged. It's not really charged. It's powered by USB. You put ice water in it, turn it on, and it blows cool air. So I'm excited about that. And you see Clemence's sleeping bag underneath there. There are my Reflectix right here. When I need to put those on here, I've got my diamond light there, my USB charged fan, my hammocks. You can see this here. This is a new thing, a little modification. I actually have all the blankets that we'll be using and pillows for this trip inside this sham, and it's just tied together, and I'm just going to keep them all together like that. It just keeps them out of the way. I saw that somewhere else. I don't remember where, but maybe Adventuring with Amanda. I don't remember. I like her channel. Anyhow, so that's kind of new. And the other cool thing is my granddaughter is going to be sleeping here in the front seat. I'm going to recline this all the way back. I don't know if you know, these go all the way down. I'm sure all these newer cars do that now. It goes completely flat. This towel here is going to fill in the gap from the back part of the seat to the seat. And from there, I'm going to take the quilt that you saw in that sham, and I'm going to double it. It's like a twin extra long quilt. I think I'll triple it and put it over the seat here And she also has her sleeping bag, and I think it's going to work out perfectly. So when I get that all set up, I'll let you know. If that doesn't work out, we will just remove her car seat, and I'll just make a bed here on the floor because there's plenty of room for her there. Front seat here. So this is where I'll keep my adventure bag and our water bottles. Trash can, extra water. I have 9 gallons of water I'm bringing with me this time. So yeah, and what else? My Alpacool refrigerator will be coming out tomorrow with my Jackery. So those are the only 2 things besides myself and my granddaughter that aren't in the van. This here is a king-size mosquito net that you can hang from trees or, I don't know, wherever you're at. It's ginormous. And it's mosquito net that you can just hang outdoors, but I'm thinking I might drape it over my van and keep the windows open on the side doors if it gets too warm out. I don't exactly know how that's going to work out, but I'm going to give it a try. So what else? I think that is that. We're looking forward to it. We're going to the west side of the state again, Van Buren State Park, a little more rock hunting, and I'm bringing a family with me. Well, actually not the whole family. I have another mom who's van camping with me. I hope she can make it. And she has 2 little boys. So we're all gonna go to Van Buren. We're gonna hang out at the park, go to the beaches, do some rock hunting and just adventuring. So that's it for now. I hope everybody's having a great one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hop on my wagon train. Like, subscribe, share, and everything that I have in this van I'll have in the description. So I'll have the links to all that so you can see what it is I have. And yeah, that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please feel free to comment. If you have any questions, I'm happy to talk to everyone. All right, you guys, take care.